Westy from Slow Burner Barbecue. We're just gonna have some fun with a cool burger. Got our premium beef mince patties. It's gonna come in and punch in some flavour with our beef boost. Next step, we're rubbing the chicken with our Slow Burner chicken charger. We've got our bacon, we've got our skillet, time to throw it in the kettle. Pro tip, just to toast the buns, use a cooling rack just to keep it off those coals a bit. There we go, ridiculous burger cook. We'll get our pulled lamb, get our beef patty, bacon, chicken, beef rib, all in a brioche bun, all using the Slow Burner Barbecue rubs. Thanks for watching. Slow Burner burger, we've got our pulled lamb, got our beef patty, got, I'll go again.